First, our webcams and microphones were compromised, and now even our keyboards are not immune. Laptop users find themselves facing a new threat: confidential data breach through their typing sounds. A recent study, authored by a group of scholars from prestigious British universities, sheds light on the alarming potential of artificial intelligence to decipher keystrokes solely through auditory cues. This groundbreaking research indicates that AI can achieve an astonishing accuracy rate of 95% in distinguishing keystrokes, marking a concerning advancement in cyber threats. This malicious technique involves employing auxiliary devices, such as a nearby cell phone or an unmuted microphone on platforms like Zoom, to capture the auditory feedback of typing sounds. The captured audio is then funneled through a deep learning AI model, meticulously trained to recognize distinct auditory patterns associated with each keystroke. This intricate process unveils the content of the typed text, giving rise to a new breed of cyber espionage. Peering into the intricacies. The research delves into the mechanics of this threat with meticulous detail. Imagine a MacBook Pro user typing away while a nearby mobile phone discreetly captures the auditory nuances of each keystroke. Astonishingly, the AI analysis achieved a remarkable success rate of 95%. Similarly, the scrutiny of a recorded Zoom call yielded an equally alarming accuracy of 93% in deciphering the keystrokes. As the research underscores, with the continuous advancements in microphone technology and the prowess of deep learning models, the feasibility of orchestrating acoustic attacks on keyboards becomes increasingly plausible. Fortifying your defenses. In the face of these evolving threats, bolstering our defenses is imperative. Fortunately, there are practical steps that can be taken to mitigate the risk of acoustic side-channel attacks. 1. Strengthen password practices. Employing robust passwords is an integral step. Opt for combinations that include both uppercase and lowercase letters, making it challenging for AI to decipher the keystrokes effectively. Furthermore, using randomly generated strings of characters, numbers, and symbols can enhance security. 2. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Implementing two-factor authentication adds an additional layer of protection. By requiring a second verification step, even if the keystrokes are somehow compromised, unauthorized access can still be thwarted. 3. Embrace biometric verification. Biometric verification, such as fingerprint recognition or facial scans, offers an innovative approach to safeguarding your data. AI struggles to replicate these unique biological markers, making it an effective defense mechanism. In conclusion, the digital landscape is evolving, and so are the threats that accompany it. The revelation of acoustic side-channel attacks highlights the need for vigilance and proactive steps to protect our sensitive information. By adopting strong password practices, embracing multi-factor authentication, and leveraging biometric verification, we can fortify our defenses against the insidious capabilities of AI-driven cyber threats.